Till now we have seen the squares, right? Within 5 seconds you are getting the answer. Comment in how many seconds you are able to solve any 3-digit square, okay, or 4-digit square, okay. I want to see your answer and you want to see your fastness. Now we will see the cubes. Squares completed, right? Now cubes. Cube is nothing but you need to multiply the number by 3 times the same number. For example, 2 you take 2 cube. 2 cube, that is equals to 2 into 2 into 2. The value is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. Sir, this is small number. We don't need you to teach me. Okay? I already know this. Wait. I am here to not to teach you the small numbers. I am here to teach you the most difficult numbers in the simplest possible way. Okay? I want to teach you the most difficult things or most difficult concepts in simplest way possible ever in the complete world. This is the simplest way of finding the cubes. Okay, now we will take a 2-digit number directly. So we will take, for example, 12 cube. 12 cube will be equal to 12 into 12 into 12. How much time do you take for solving this? Sir, it will take 5 minutes, sir. Some people will say, sir, it will take half day, sir. Please leave me half day. I will complete this and after afternoon I will give you. No, that is all old answers. New answer is, sir, how to teach me 12 cube by the simplest way possible. Okay, I am teaching you. Listen. Now 12 cube. How many digits here? 1 and 2. 1 is in tens place. 2 is in units place or ones place. Okay. Now simply first here 4 parts will be there. In the first part, okay, I am drawing table also. In the first part, take 1 cube. 1 cube. In the second part, take 1 square and multiply with the 2, the second digit. In the third part, take 1 and multiply with the 2 square. In the third part, you write 2 cube. Okay, this is how you need to split. Now, here 1 cube is 1. Wait just a second. Okay, 1 cube is 1. Now 1 square into 2. 1 into 2 will be 2. 1 into 2 square. This will be 4. This will be 8. Now what you need to do is, you just need to double this value. This will be 4, double this value. This will be 8. Right? Now you need to add. So this will be 8. This will be 12. 1 plus 4. 5 plus 2, 7, and this 1. So 1728 will be the answer. Understand? 12 cube within 2 steps. This is the first step. This is the second step. Understand? Again I am telling, 12 cube you need to solve by 12 into 12 into 12. But here we are solving by shortcut. Take the first digit, cube it. Now take the first digit square and multiply with the second digit, that is this. Take first digit and multiply with the second digit square, that will be this. Take the second digit and cube. Okay. Now you just simplify and write here. So 1 cube will be 1. 1 square into 2 will be 2. 1 into 2 square will be 4. 2 cube will be 8. Now here take these middle digits, double them. Means multiply with the 2. 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 into 4 will be 8. So 8, you have to add this. So 8 plus 4 will be 12. By using Vedic mathematics we have written. So this will be 1728. Answer will be 1728. We will take another number and we will solve. 14 cube is equals to 1 cube, 1 square into 4. 1 into 4 square, 4 cube. This value is 1. This value is 4. This value is 16. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4, 64. 64. Just double this value. This is 8. This is 32. Now add. So here 64. 64. 32 plus 16. How much? This value will be 8. This value will be 4. This value will be 2. This will be 12. This will be 1. Now the most important step, just see here. Here 2-digit number, 2-digit number, 2-digit number and single digit number. Here just write all these things. If the second digit should be the carry of its previous digit. Okay, like 4 I am writing here and 6 is the carry of 8. So 8, 6 and 4 is the carry of 2. So 2, 4, 1 is the carry of this one. So 1 plus 1 will be 2. You observe how I have written here. This tens digit should be in tens place. So this will act as a carry of this previous digit. So this will be act as carry of this previous digit. This will be act as carry of this previous digit. Now you need to add 4. 6 plus 8 will be 14. 4 right here. So that 1 plus 4 will be 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. And remaining 2 as it is. So this will be the cube of 14. Easy, right? This is one kind of method in solving the cubes, that is finding the cube in Vedic mathematics. There will be one more method. Maybe you can, after listening to that method, you can figure out which method is easy or which method is difficult. Now we are finding the cube of 27. Okay, 27 cube. 27 cube. Normally for 27 cube we need to write like 27 into 27 into 27. It will take more time, but by using this Vedic mathematics, by using the methods available, we can solve it within less time accurately. Now as usual, how to write? Take the cube of first digit, so this will be 2 cube. Take its square multiplied by this number, so 2 square into 7, then 2 into 7 square, 2 into 7 square, then 7 cube. Okay, now 2 cube value is 8. 2 square 4, 4 into 7, 4 into 7 how much? 28. Now 2 into 7 square, 2 into 7 square is 49, 2 into 49, 98. Now 7 cube will be 7 into 7 into 7, 7 into 7, 49, 49 into 7, 343. 343. Now take the as usual middle numbers and multiply by 2. So this will become 56. 28 into 2 equal to 56. 98 into 2 equal to 196. Now what we need to do? We need to simply, this will be 343. This will be 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 9, 10. And 9, 1 plus 1, 2. Here 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8. And here 8. Now we need to do very little addition to get the final value. How? I'll tell you. Just observe very focusedly, because this is very important and people will mostly confuse here only. Okay. Now here in this 343, write this last 3 as it is. We have written as it is. Now this 34 you need to add to 294. 34 should be added to 294. So 294 plus 34. This will be 8, 12 and 3. 328. Now write this 8 as it is. Write this 8 as it is. Now this 32 will be the carry for this 84. Now add 84 here. So this will be 6. This will be 12. 11. Okay. This will be 11. So 32 we are adding with this 84. So 4 plus 2 will be 6 and 8 plus 3 will be 11. So 116. Write 6 as it is, and this 11 will be carry for this 8. So 11 plus 8 will be 19. Write 19 here. So this will be the value of 27 cube. If you want, you can check with the calculator. This is very easiest process of finding the cubes available in the Vedic mathematics. Okay. Hope you liked this video. But only one thing is, you need to practice. I am giving some homeworks for you. You please finish that homework in the Vedic mathematics book, and that answers you need to comment in the comment section. I will check and verify. You need to get cube of 26 and 12 cube and 14 cube, 21 cube, 27 cube. Just you try all these cubes. These all are homework for you, because anyway less than 10, anyhow you will solve it very easily. But when you are solving a little bigger problems, that is double digit problems, you may encounter any errors, you may encounter any difficult in solving this. So at that time you please watch this video again completely, then go back to the problem and continue with the process, and finally you will get the correct result. Okay, finally check with the calculator also whether this answer is correct or not. Thereby you will get some happiness. That happiness you need to experience. Okay, remaining things we will see in the next video. Thank you.